Hey there, my name is Demitri and welcome back to another video here at Tactiq. This tutorial is crafted to demonstrate how Tactiq, with its seamless integration with Google Meets and advanced AI capabilities, can elevate your meeting productivity to new heights. Imagine turning hours of meeting recordings into a compact, actionable summary in just a few minutes, thanks to our amazing integration with Google Meet. Let's dive right into how to make this happen. But before we do, actually, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Tactiq. Before we dive into the functionalities, let's make sure to get a clear picture of what Tactiq is and how it can transform your meeting experiences. This isn't just a transcription tool, it's your personal assistant for meetings, and it captures, summarizes, and organizes your meeting discussions in a way that's easily accessible. Imagine being able to revisit key points of a 2-hour-long meeting. Yeah, we've all been a part of those. Well, that's the power of Tactiq. So firstly, what you would do in order to make this happen is you would add the Tactiq Chrome extension to your browser. You can simply go to the web store and download it from there. Once that's done, you can log into Tactiq, navigate to the integration section. As you can see, this is very easy. You can just go to chromewebstore.google.com and type Tactiq on the top right. Click on this, and I already have it downloaded, but you can add it to Chrome here. And then in the extension section, you'll see that it'll pop up and you have the ability to pin it as well. Then you can actually sign in from here. And if you haven't created an account yet, obviously make sure to do that. But for me, it's pretty easy to sign in. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go to tactiq.io since I'm all installed, and then I can go to login. And the next step is going to be going to the integration section, which is actually on the left side over here. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll get to the integration section. And you can see mine's already checked off, but essentially all you have to do is click on the connect button, and from there, sign in with your Google account and you pretty much are done. You already have the Chrome extension, and from here, you're all integrated and ready to get your meetings recorded. Now, in order to upload a Google Meet, this is exactly what we're gonna do next. We're gonna go and upload a transcript or recording on the top right. And you'll see here that there are a myriad of different options to choose from. So in these suggested formats, you can put down a specific meeting title and time. And then from there, you can actually go and upload a specific meeting that you can put in there. So upon uploading it, once it's done, essentially you'll see that it'll pop up right here. So inside of our transcripts, what we can then do is we can do a couple different things to quickly summarize the meeting. First, we could write a detailed summary with our quick prompt section. And you'll notice right here that it's building out a response. You'll see that the meeting covered a wide range of topics, starting with discussion about the health of the participants. This is me always checking up on how's the team doing. And from there, if you have any other questions, you can actually do yourself a favor and put down a specific ask a question prompt right here. So say, for example, I wanted to ask what were the action items discussed for each individual on the call. Then from there, I can type out ask, and in a moment, I will get a response, which is pretty quick. And from here, you'll see that there are 3 different people on the team, and I can confirm this is exactly what we discussed. I did, in fact, talk to a couple different people about tasks they needed to do, and then we discussed that further. So this is pretty quick and accurate, you know? Having in a moment the ability to see exactly what needed to be done, especially if you weren't around and maybe it's mentioned to you exactly what you needed to get done, or if you wanted to tell people or remind them what they needed to get done afterwards, you can always send up a follow-up message by asking for it and then sending out the action items to those specific people. So obviously this is a pretty simple and quick process, but rather than having your Google Meets recordings that went to waste, you know, you recorded them and you had no summary, you had no ability to quickly recap a long meeting, what you can do is utilize Tactiq. Very easily, you can upload your files of your Google Meet recordings, and from there, it's pretty simple. Ask custom questions or utilize our quick prompts to make quick use of all the different things you need to know in your long meetings. that either you missed or you don't remember parts of, because let's be real, that's how it works for everybody. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave any comments down below on questions you have about Tactiq, and make sure to install our Chrome extension today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.